Hey, welcome back, Tasty Cyber. Quick note before anything, everything here is lab only and legal. I'll walk you through a Termux ethical hacking starter pack we'll install and demo. Nmap, SQL map, Hydra, and Metasploit. If you're new, hit subscribe for more Termux cybersecurity guides. This video is for educational and defensive purposes only. Do not attempt to attack any devices or networks that you do not own or do not have explicit written permission to test. Before updating, first change the Termux repositories to avoid broken or slow mirrors. Then, update the Termux packages to start from a clean state. Next, we will install Nmap, an network discovery tool used to identify what services are running on a host. Install Nmap with pkg install nmap-y. Then start to scan localhost to see only your device. Start by command of copy to display active and inactive network interface. Install Git, which we will use to download trusted to repositories. Use this command pkg install git y. Download SQL map from the official repo only for lab testing. I'll clone it to a folder. Hydra is a password testing tool used for authorized security assessments. Install it from trusted repositories using your package manager. Metasploit is a powerful cybersecurity tool best used in a Kali Linux virtual machine or cloud lab environment. Avoid installing it on a public phone network to ensure safety and proper functionality. Practice ethical hacking on platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, or Phone Hub. TryHackMe is beginner-friendly, offering browser-based guided labs and structured learning pads perfect for step-by-step practice. Hack the Box provides realistic, machine-based challenges and capture the flag-style boxes for intermediate to advanced learners sharpening real-world penetration testing skills. Phone Hub offers community-contributed vulnerable virtual machines you can download and run locally for hands-on. Here are key defensive takeaways from labs to help you secure your systems. First, close and use ports to reduce attack surfaces. Second, use strong passwords and enable multi-factor authentication. And third, keep all services patched and updated regularly. Follow these tips only in a controlled lab environment. Always legal, always safe. Links to the resources and official tool pages are in the description. If you want a specific lab walkthrough, just request it in the comments. Final reminder: never scan or attack any system that you do not own or have explicit written permission to test. Drop a comment with which lab you want me to demo next. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. I post Termux cybersecurity tutorials every week. I'm Hasty Cyber, signing off.